What's that?
Nothing.
Looks like snake.
It's snake.
I thought I told you to do your midterm reports due next quarter.
Did you?
There's no such thing as break time when we're down as far as we are.
No, there's a break time.
What's that attitude?
It was bad attitude. My
It was.
apologies for that one.
Thank you for the apology.
That was out of line.
You know what? That actually means a lot, that apology. It just shows you're mature.
Piece of...
Wow. You're actually really good at this game.
I know, I am.
Quality.
I could be better if I didn't have so many distractions. Like right now. In my left ear. That's you. I'm talking about you.
No. Not in this house.
You're a
Not
turd.
here.
You're a turd. And I ate your sandwich yesterday. That was me, by the way. I'll eat your sandwich again, if I have to. I will make you another sandwich. Probably with various meats, probably ham, a little bit of Cajun turkey on there, a little spicy mayo, some Dijon mustard, because I like it spicy, that's how I like it. And then I'll eat it in front of your I will parade it in front of your stupid little face. And you're gonna be really jealous, because I make really good sandwiches, and you know that, darn it! What is this? Tables turn as chicken scrambles the brains of 3... What? Booty! You see this news headline? This is like... There's a dude going around apparently like killing people in like a chicken costume or something. Yeah, he's got like a frying pan or something. I don't know, it's weird. Doesn't make much sense. Yo, Bobby, Bob, Booty. Big body shop, Bob. Oh, hey.
What a big dog.
That's a new look. That's good.
That's what I do.
No, you're missing. Yeah, you're missing a sleeve. I don't know.
Right.
Really don't know how you missed that. It's like 30
Yeah, it was,
degrees outside.
It's gardening.
Gardening.
Yeah.
Really, that makes sense. Anyway, the reason I called you in here, freak. It says it's like a chicken going around killing. Not an actual chicken. A guy dressed up as a chicken. He's killing people. He's scrambling the brains of his victims. Like, we scramble eggs. He scrambles brains. I thought that was funny. Yeah.
Wind.
We got to think of a name for him. Like, I don't know. So, what
Hey,
else?
let's go check Bill O'Reilly. Maybe it's on.
Bill O'Reilly. You know I like my Bill.
Billy. Let's get a victory here. Let's go. So how about that Cuban Missile Crisis?
Yeah, I mean, speaking of like communist dictators, like that shit has really been freaking me out. I don't know about you. I mean, seriously, for like someone to do something like that, I mean, you have to be a serious freak. Like, I mean, you gotta be a freak to do that. Like, think about it. You gotta be like a freak, like a freaking freak. You know, like those kind of things freak me out. But like, if you're a freak, like a freak who has come from a long line of freaks, like he has freak in his heritage, and so like his mother's a freak, his father's a freak, his brother was a freak, his grandma's a freak, you know, like all these freaky people, like not even, like he has to hang out with freaks in order to be that freaky. Like, it's just, it's one of those things, like, it freaks me out, you know, if it's freaks like that freak me out, and I don't know what more to say about it, because I think you get the, oh. Alright. Freak.
I ain't no freak. That ain't me. I ain't no freak. 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 Not a freak. I'm not a freak. I'm not a freak. I ain't no freak.
You're a freak.
I'm not a freak. I'm not.
There's way too many freaks out there, you know. Way too many freaks. Like Charles Manson, his handicapped little brother, Charlie Manson. He's French. Freaking just freaks everywhere, you know? Freaks. There's freaks in the mall. There's freaks in school. There's a freak right here. I'm a freak. Someone's crazy right?
It's the chicken. He's alive! Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Play, big boy. Let's play.
Chicken nuggets. Oh crap. Bark, bark, bark. Who wants to play?
This human-sized chicken's freaking me out. I mean, if it was like a normal-sized chicken, it'd be like dinner, but...
Oh, Cappy. Where are you? I can feel it in my bones. My bones. Ooh, bubble wrap.
Oh, man. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this one.
Where's your body? I'd like to find your body. Where you at, huh?
I'm right here.
Where you at?
I'm right here, stupid. Turn around. Hey, right here.
I will find you.
He's such an idiot. I hate you so much. You look stupid in that chicken suit.
Where you at, little boy?
Not up there, I guarantee that. Idiot face.
Where you at?
You're ugly and I hate you. You smell like turds. I mean, you're kind of a good friend though.
Well,
Yeah, that's right.
I'm stumped.
No.
Where could you be, little boy?
What? I think he just walked away. What an idiot. What? Wow. Dude is an idiot. We made eye contact at least twice. I'm pretty sure he smirked at me. I mean, whatever. Wait. Could he be tricking me? Nah.